while the rest of your home will most likely have some sort of heater or thermostat to keep you warm during the winters. The same cannot be said about your bathroom. And if you have a large-sized bathroom, then it can get quite cold during the winters. As a result, you can consider getting something like one of the best space heaters for bathrooms. There are many products available to choose from best space heater for bathroom, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best space heater for bathrooms from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Space Heaters. Just as you can tell by its name, Amazon Basics is a brand offered by Amazon, which offers all sorts of home and office products including its space heater given down below. Amazon Basics Space Heater for bathrooms is present in the second position in this listicle, as it is the smallest option given here, which makes it ideal for tight spaces. Although, if you also want something powerful, then you should look elsewhere, since this space heater is a bit limited by its power rating of up to 500 watts. Due to this, it does not even mention any recommended area rating which is present with most other options out there. And while this is an entry-level option, Amazon Basics still includes a 1-year-long warranty with it. Pros. Pretty amazing space heater for small-size bathrooms. Decent build quality along with a solid warranty period. Highly affordable for buyers on a type. Number 2. Givabest Space Heaters. Givabest is one of the best go-to options for all those who are looking for products like space heaters for using at their homes or offices, since you get a pretty great experience without paying a premium for the same. The Givabest Space Heater for bathrooms is present in the first position in this list, since this is one of the best value for money options out there. Even at its given price tag, this space heater for bathrooms is able to offer a power rating of up to 1500 watts. Thanks to this power rating, you can heat up a bathroom of up to 200 square feet in size. A great thing about this space heater is that thanks to its controls, you can switch its power rating to HAL for slower heating if needed. And as you would expect from such a popular and reputable brand of space heaters. Pros. Superb value for money space heater for bathrooms. Great performance numbers along with adjustable power. Solid build quality including a sturdy power cord. Includes a 1-year-long warranty with this space heater for bathrooms. Number 3. Brighttown Space Heaters. Brighttown is another brand of home appliances, which has been making all kinds of products for quite a long time, because of which it also offers a space heater model, which can be pretty viable for most. This Brighttown space heater for bathrooms is present in the third position in this article, because this also happens to be quite powerful without charging a premium for the same. Starting with the power rating of this space heater, it is also rated for up to 1500 watts. And when combined with its given recommended size rating of up to 200 square feet, this is certainly one of the more powerful options out there. Thanks to the multiple controls present on the top of this space heater, you can also switch its power output to half if needed. But more. Number 4. Drio Space Heaters. Drio is a fairly new brand of heating products, despite which it is still a great option for all those who are looking for powerful options to heat up their homes and spaces like a bathroom. The Drio Space Heater for bathrooms happens to be the most powerful option in this list, which makes it great for larger bathrooms. While this space heater has a common power rating of up to 1500 watts, it still happens to be a better option than others. This is possible thanks to its given recommended area rating of up to 250 square feet, which is much higher than others. And while this space heater is a bit large in size, you do get a powerful fan inside which includes 4 different heating modes. Since this space heater for bathrooms is made for heavy-duty usage, you also get a 5-year-long warranty with it, which makes it pretty amazing for long-term usage as well. Number 5. Trustic Space Heaters. In case you want a space heater which is not only small in size, but still manages to offer decent performance and features, then Trustic and its offerings can be a great option. Trustic Space Heater for bathrooms is one of the best compact options out there, especially if you consider its given performance numbers. To be more exact, this space heater has a power rating of up to 1500 watts. Not only that, but you also get a pretty good recommended area rating of up to 200 square feet with this space heater, which is always great to have. Even though this space heater for bathrooms is fairly small, it is still able to include 3 different heating modes. And to ensure that you can enjoy all of these features and performance numbers for a decently long time, it is backed by a 1-year-long warranty as well. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.